Dear students, last the classes, the first lesson of the day in the ashrams. Are you completed in the classes? So some homework, are you some admitted and correction okay. Next we was continue the lessons, the 8th standard classes, Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman also did before, we were teachers raised questions, listen to them, answer the following the questions. That's a passage and now. In my backside of the backside, please open it. 2, lesson number 2 of the only one passage. Bhaskar's second was a famous scientist and great poet too. He was a Kannadiga born in Bijapur. His father, Maheshwara Upadhyaya, was learned to the mathematicians and Bhaskar to first teachers was his own father. Bhaskar is invented the Kalachakra, the time clock. Questions, same passage, we continue the questions. Where is Bhaskar born? Bhaskar's born in Bijapur, in Kannadiga, also the Kannadiga. Who was father is there? Father's name is Maheshwara Upadhyaya. And why did the Kannadigas proud the Bhaskar? He was a famous scientist and great poet, also the great poet. And who taught him mathematician first? Who taught him mathematician? His father was Maheshwara Upadhyaya. His father's first mathematician is his father, Maheshwara Upadhyaya. What is Bhaskar is inventions? Bhaskar is inventions what is the invention of Kalachakra or time clock? Time clock. Okay. Now look at the pictures. Great scientists give the below. Identify them to the mention at least one contribution of each of them in the field of science. Following the figures, 6 figures. Who was the inventor? What was the invention of these pictures? Man. There is a first picture is Isaac Newton. It was invention of the law of gravitations and the law of motions. Galileo invented of compass and a telescope. Let's say Baba, the founder of the Automatic Research Centers, the Mumbai. Vikram Sarabhai, the father of the Indian Space Program. Jagadish Chandra Bose, James Watt, the principle of steam engine. Thomas, also this match the names of the scientist of column A with column invention of the column B. Thomas Alva Edison. The B column A. He was selected of the B column. First one, the Thomas Alva Edison's railway engine, invention of the railway engine. Wright brothers aeroplanes, invention of aeroplane. James Watt, the steam engine, invention of steam engine. John Gutenberg is a printing machine, invention of printing machine. Galileo, telescope, invention of the telescope. All of the scientists, you are the inventions, also he was a famous scientist, also the famous. Same follow these lessons. Continue now. Sir C.V. Raman is certainly one of the scientists. How do you know about the scientist of this display? Sir C.V. Raman. Early education. What was the invitations? What was the gift for these inventions. All of these are telling about the lives in the Sir Raman. Like Sir Raman was a great scientist. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work in scattering of light and his discovery of effect of light stress, Raman effect. The government gifted him 25 acres of land and to carry out further research work. Raman Institute was the dream of Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. child dream of the Sir C.V. Raman's dream child. Next, Sir C.V. Raman was a great scientist. Mahan Vignani. He was awarded a Nobel Prize for work on the scattering of light and the discovery of effect of light stress, Raman effect. What was the Sir C.V. Raman's Nobel Prize? What was get for the Nobel Prize of Sir C.V. Raman? The Sir C.V. Raman get for the Nobel Prize the scattering of light. Raman effect. Also this Raman effect. Next, the government gifted us 25 acres. So it was the Raman effect. So the government gifted us 25 acres. It was search for the many search for in Raman supported, carry supported. I mean for the carry and further research of the Raman Institute was a dream child of Sir C.V. Raman. ಅವರ ಕನಸಿನ ಕೂಸಾದಂತ ಸರ್ C.V. ರಾಮನ್ನ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅದು ಅವರ ಕನಸಿನ ಕೂಸಾಗಿತ್ತು. ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 25 Sir C.V. Raman was born on 7th November 1888. When he was born was 1888. He's in Tirchi, in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, he was son of Chandrasekhar and his father was Chandrasekharaya and Parvati Amal. His mother name is Parvati Amal. Chandrasekharaya was a professor of physics in the Hindu college of Visakhapatnam. He's qualification of the professor, also since the professor, the Hindu college, since the work of the Hindu college and professors, also the professor, school, high school, college, Raman was studied there, the Hindu college, high school. Even early education was a high school. The study was early education was high school. And studied in high school, Hindu college. He was very much interested in such science from the boyhood days. Very interested in the childhood life. In the boyhood days, very interested in the early life was a strength for this. Early life was a left for this. So in the Hindu college, he was very interested of the science in the early days. He was very much interested in the science from the boyhood days, and even was a boy and made the model of dynamo. When he was the boy at the time, he was the made of the dynamo. He made of this dynamo. At the time of in childhood, he was a model of the dynamo. During the school days, and borrow the science book from the college, and students and read them. Some of these are very interested of science, so he was college, borrow of the science book and studies and read them, and he was for his early days was showed the great interest of science. Unfortunately, he used to the fall sick every now and then, and he was not able to attend to the school regularly. Why was not the Raman not regularly in the early life was go to the school? Because only now and then he was sick. Some of the now and then he was sick from this suffer from the sick. So he was not regularly classes go to Father Raman. Next, in spite of this poor health, in spite of other poor health, he got a class matriculations examination. When he was only a boy, he passed the intermediate examination from Hindu College. He joined to the Presidency College in Madras for his BA, and his relatives wanted him to give up his science and take him history and economics and special subject for the BA. And since Raman was made up his mind and study was science and took the physics. He passed the BA and secured the first ranking and number of the prizes. He passed the rest of his MA physics in January 1907. In spite of his poor health, ಬಹಳ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಕೆಟ್ಟದಿಂದಾಗಿ he got first class in the matriculations. All the innocents suffered poor health, ಬಹಳ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಯಿಂದ ಕಳೆದ ದಿವಸ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಪೆನಿ ವಾಸ್ only boy was 12. Only boy was and 12 12 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿದ್ದಾಗ ಸಹ ಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದ ಸಹ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ and poor health, so many poor health, and he was passed of the intermediate examination from Hindu College. Intermediate is the pass of the intermediate examination Hindu College, and he joined to the Presidency College. Next early education completed, he joined to the Presidency College, Madras for his BA. Madras for relative wanted to him and go to give up his science and his history and economics as a special subject for his BA. Since Raman had made to have his mind and studies in science and he took a physics, he passed to the BA and secured to the first rank and a number of prizes. He passed his MA and physics in January 1907. And then next he joined to the Presidency College, Madras, BA, and relative wanted to give up his science. Science ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು and take history and economics in special subject for the BA exam ನಲ್ಲಿ history economics science ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ BA ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಗಳು ಒತ್ತಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ರಾಮನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, ಅವನ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ವಾಸ್ ಈ ಮೈಂಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಈ ಟು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ದ BA ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು BA ದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಪಾಸ್ MA ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ BA ಪಾಸ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಈ ಪಾಸ್ ಟು ದ MA ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. MA ಟೇಕ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಇನ್ ಜನವರಿ 1907 ನಲ್ಲಿ MA ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ MA, Raman was wanted to go to the United Kingdom. He was education after his MA complete ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ wanted to go to the United Kingdom for higher studies ಗೆ United Kingdom ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ವಾಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಬ್ರೋಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಟು ಅಗೇನ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಮುದುರು ಬೀಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಮುದುರು ಬೀಳಿದಾಗಿ and he could not go to, and he was upper limb, he could not go to, but this was greatest disappointment. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಬ್ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. It was a greatest disappointment. His life is a relatives has to him and give this study on science. ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದೋದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿಂದ. ಅಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕಂಪೇರಿಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾತ್ಮಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ರಾಮನ್ did so and got along well into this new subject ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅದು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಓದಿರ್ತಾನೆ MA ಮತ್ತು BA ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಸ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಂಡ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈ ಗಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಹೌದು ಸಹ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಈ ವಾಸ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ ದ ಡೆಪ್ಟಿ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಜನರಲ್. ಡೆಪ್ಟಿ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೇಮಕ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ 1907. ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ ಇಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ವಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ರಾಮನ್ ಯಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಟು ಇಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ರಾಮನ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ವೈ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. It was an experience of the science. Any one of the discovery of the science. ಅದರಿಂದ it is not happy and any movement of ಜನರಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸಹ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷನೂ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕುಡ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಮನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆಪ್ಟಿ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಜನರಲ್. ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಸಹ ರಾಮನ್ನು ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ. ಇನ್ ಪುಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡೆಪ್ಟಿ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಜನರಲ್. ಅದು ಸಹ ಅವನು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇನ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಮನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡೆಪ್ಟಿ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಜನರಲ್. ಅದೇ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಂದ. ಅವ್ನು ಡೆಪ್ಟಿ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಂಟು ಅದು ಸಹ ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಲೈಫ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನನ್ನ ನೀರಿಂದ ಹೊರತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ನೀರಿನಿಂದ ಹೊರತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ನೀರಿಂದ ಹೊರತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೋ ನೀರಿಂದ ಹೊರತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೋ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಚೆಲಪಿಡಿಸುವಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. But still hopes on becoming a scientist is what is the opportunity. And still the hopes of becoming a scientist was waiting for the opportunity. It's next to give the opportunity. Who were Raman's? Who were Raman's parents? Who are Raman? All the take open they put the right term. Who are the Raman parents? Why were the Raman able to attend the first class regularly? Who were the Raman parents? Next one. Why was Raman able to attend to the school regularly? Next question. Where did complete his intermediate examination? Where did he complete intermediate examination? Where did complete his intermediate examination? What subject did his relative advise to take the BA? What subject did his relative advise him to take for BA? Okay? All the students, that give them assignment, write them to next classes and correction to it. Okay.